Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Mailchimp from your Shopify store step by step clearly.
Open your Shopify store admin panel. Navigate to the Apps section on the left-hand sidebar. Locate the Mailchimp app from the list of installed apps. Click on the Mailchimp app to open its details page. Look for the option that says Delete or Uninstall near the top right corner. Click on the Delete or Uninstall button.
A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to uninstall Mailchimp.
Confirm the action by clicking Yes or Confirm. Next, navigate to the Online Store section on the left sidebar. Select Themes from the drop-down menu. Click on the Actions button next to your current theme.
Choose Edit Code from the drop-down options. In the code editor, search for any Mailchimp-related snippets in your theme files.
Common files to check include theme.liquid, header.liquid, and footer.liquid. Remove any code snippets that reference Mailchimp. Once all relevant code snippets are deleted, click Save at the top right corner. To ensure a clean removal, check your store's checkout and confirmation pages for any Mailchimp integration.
Clear your browser cache and refresh your store to see the changes.
You have successfully uninstalled Mailchimp from your Shopify store.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.